Great. What is the full form StatPro?
Full form of STAT Pro is uh, structural analysis of. Just a minute. Can I refer to my notes?
No, no, so.
Sorry.
Okay.
I got blanked out.
Okay, we can go for the next questions. Okay.
Yeah,
What is the file format of StatPro?
it's DWX.
DWX. And for AutoCAD?
AutoCAD is DWG.
And for this DWX. Okay. Uh, what is the benefit of StatPro as an engineer, as a structure engineer?
By using StatPro, we can design the structural elements of any structure. We can draft columns. We can calculate the loads on the structure. We can calculate various type of loads such as dead loads, live loads. Without doing it manually, we can do it with the help of software, which helps to do vast amount of work in less time compared to do it manually.
What's your goal?
So my goal is to change the structure which I am seeing currently. I want to uh, design structures according to what is not according to traditional methods. I want to design. I want to expand my vision and to design some structure which will be visually appealing, as well as they must have some significant uniqueness in them. That is my ultimate goal as a civil engineer.
Okay. And what's your hobby?
So I like to play cricket and I like to swim a lot. Earlier, I used to go for a run, but I stopped because of the workload I'm facing now.
Okay. Right now working in company, right?
No, actually, sir, I own a construction. No, I don't have to tell. Sorry. Actually, sir, I was working at JSW Construction Chemicals, but I quit my job in the year 2023 in October. So after that, I was researching on various projects, and I also did some projects with government as a freelancer. And currently, I am pursuing structural internship at Gurukul Civil Academy. Uh, and I'm learning. Yeah, I'm doing internship over there.
Just let me clear. You pass out year
It's 2022.
22. From there to till now, just explain your career.
Yeah. No, from 2022, I was working at Trimurti Construction as a site engineer for only a year. In the month of March, I quit my job and I started working at JSW Construction Chemicals. There, I used to design various products regarding the waterproofing, some innovative products such as ready mix plaster, in which we didn't use the traditional sand which we river sand which we obtain, and we use slag sand which is a byproduct of steel. Because of using the slag sand, we were able to expand the volume of the plaster in the same exact way according which we prefer in traditional sand. So we so the result of that product was that we, at the weight of 40 kg, we plastered a surface more than 20%, while if we compare it to the traditional sand method plastering.
To that you work there. And when you left that company,
I left it in October 2023.
when you did your freelancing projects,
Yeah. What's that?
you completed some freelancing projects also, right?
Yeah. Actually, I contacted with I worked in collaboration with the government projects. I built some roads, concrete roads over in the rural area, which were located near the Khatkhat Dam in Jawar district.
So this work you get on from contacts or from freelancing, right?
No, they were offered to me by references. Actually, my friend works in the association which grants those works. So, by reference of him, I was assigned as a technical engineer in that project.
So means that was not the freelancing project, right?
No, that was not project. I was working in collaboration with them.
Okay, but you just mentioned the freelance. Do you
Yeah.
have any plan to do freelance in the futures?
Uh, Sir, actually my experience in structural field is less because I was working as a site engineer. So I used to execute the drawings and I used to execute the site work. And after that, I worked at JSW Construction Chemicals. But those two were not structural based criteria. So I'm thinking that I should give ample amount of time to learn structural
Just
objects.
just let me clear. You want
Yeah.
to do the freelancing was
No, sir. I actually want to work at a structural designing consultancy.
ओके गॉट
Yeah.
थैंक यू सो मच वीरेश दिस वाज नाइस टॉक विथ यू आप स्टार्टिंग में आपने बोला कि मैं फ्रीलांस किया था ऐसे ऐसे
Hmm.
प्रोजेक्ट्स का ये
Hmm.
नहीं बोलना है
Okay.
क्योंकि जब आप फ्रीलांस बोलते हो दैट मीन्स कि अगर मैं आज आपको हायर कर लिया ठीक है
Okay.
तो कल को तुम फिर से फ्रीलांस स्टार्ट कर दोगे अपने
Okay.
तो
Okay.
मेरे प्रोजेक्ट पे तुम ध्यान नहीं दोगे तुम्हें फ्रीलांस में
Hmm.
ज़्यादा पैसा मिल सकता है तो मुझे
Hmm.
हायर रखना तुम्हारे लिए मतलब मेरे लिए रिस्की है तुमको हायर करना प्लस मेरे कंपनी का डाटा तुम बाहर डिस्क्लोज भी कर सकते हो
Hmm.
ठीक है
Yeah.
तो ये वर्ड नहीं यूज़ करना है ठीक है
Yeah. Yeah.
ओके थैंक यू सो मच वीरज नाउ नेक्स्ट इज मिस्टर मोमिन कौन रेडी गाइस ड्रॉप द मैसेज फटाफट मैसेज करिए कि
Yes,
I'm ready
sir.
सर यस
Just give me a minute.
ओके एंड समीर गजेंद्र एंड रियंका गीतांजलि विधि रवि सभी लोग मैसेज करिए गाइस ड्रॉप द मैसेज कि आई एम रेडी सो दैट के अकॉर्डिंग टू ठीक है डरना नहीं है कि क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा देखो कन्वर्सेशन ही तो कर रहे हैं बस ये कन्वर्सेशन कम्युनिकेशन इंग्लिश में हो रही है थोड़ी सी चेंजिंग ये है थोड़ा सा माइंड लगा के काम करना पड़ रहा है रील की दुनिया में माइंड लगाना बड़ा मुश्किल काम है लेकिन हम लोग लगा रहे हैं ठीक है ओके नाउ मिस्टर मोमिन introduce yourself in short.
Good evening, sir. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My full name is Ahsan Ali Momin. I am born and raised in Mumbai. And in my family, I have my father who is retired. My mother is a homemaker. I have 2 years of experience working in civil engineering field as a civil site engineer and as a complete civil engineer. And coming to my experiences, I have gone through with the architectural aspects of the building more, and I have been through with the structural concepts as well. So, as if I'm not very clear with the structural concept, so that is why I'm doing a course with the Unix Civil, which includes software like AutoCAD, 2D, 3D, ETABS, StatPro, and manual designing apart from the Revit architecture as well, so that I can enhance my skill and I can be a valuable aspect in your organization.
So
That's all about it, sir.
you have a plan to work in a structures firm, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Why you want to become a structure engineer?
Sir, initially, actually, when I've started working with a civil as a civil engineer, so I came across with the various aspects of civil engineering as it's divided into multiple fields. So I've been through planning, and apart from that, I've been through with the surveying concepts, and I've been through with the infrastructure. But being in the structural firm for 8 months, so that drags me to into structural engineering, and I want to learn it way more so that I can be a valuable or employee to your organization. And it's my dream also to become a structural engineer. I It's my interest as well, so
Got it.
that's why I want to do.
What is shear force, Mr. Hassan?
It is the algebraic sum of forces which acts on either side of the member, especially in beams, and it is denoted in SI unit in kilonewton.
What is the full form of StatPro?
Structural analysis and designing system.
What are the important qualities required to become a team leader?
To become a team leader, the effective quality is you should have a good experience with the projects in your past. If you have worked with in your past, you have worked with the major projects, so that would be a head start in being a good team leader. Apart from that, you should know how to manage client. You should know how to manage labor at site. You should have a value that you can provide to your client in terms of like you have to deliver the project on timely basis so that there is no discrepancy in the construction process, and that will leads to like in terms of a developer, if I'll ask. So in that term, so whenever a developers hire an engineer, he looks for the key concept that an engineer should save his money in terms of structural designing concepts. Apart from that, he should have like a thorough knowledge so that he can design the structure in a effective and in a very urgent manner so that the construction process will be smooth. So apart from that,
That's it. I think it's
you should,
sufficient. I got
yes, that will be.
it. Difference between smart work and hard work.
The simple difference is basically if you if you have resources and you know how to use the resources effectively, that is smart work. And sometimes if you do have resources but you don't know how to apply it, so that is hard work.
Very good.
Basically, if I'll go for manual designing, that will take long time for me to get through the process. If I'll know I have a software for that, so that will like it will be time consuming for me and it will give me like perfect results as well. I just have to do like some checks with the software and it will be that will be like a proper example of a smart work.
Great. Thank you so much, Momin. Momin, how many lectures you watch in STAT? Up to three is
Sir,
done.
I watch up to 25th lectures I
Okay,
watch.
you just watch some extra lectures also, right? Okay,
Yes,
very good. Thank you so much, Momin. It's nice talking with
thank you.
you. Okay. Ji. Now next is Mr. Tariq, and after Tariq will come with Mr. Gajen Anand, then Shamir Patel. Mr. Tariq, ready?
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, Tariq. How many lectures you watch in STAT Pro?
Sir, three completed.
What you learn in lecture number 3?
Sir, we learn how to generate a G+3 structure and how to assign load and how to analyze the project.
Okay. How to calculate brick load?
Sir, how to calculate wind load, sir?
Brick.
Brick load. Okay, sir. So we multiply density into thickness of the brick work,
And what is the density
and
of brick?
the density of first class brick is 19.1 kilonewton per meter cube.
19.1 kilonewton per
Uh,
meter.
ki- yes, sir.
Okay. And what is the density of steel?
So density of steel 7850, I think.
Yes.
Yes, okay, sir.
7850 kilonewton per meter cube.
Yes, sir. Kilonewton per meter cube.
7850 kilonewton per meter cube.
7850 kg per centimeter cube, I think. I'm not sure about that, sir.
Yes. And what is the compression strength of first class brick?
105 kg per centimeter cube, sir.
105 kg per centimeter. Okay. What's your strength?
Yes, sir.
What's your strength?
Sir, so my strength is I am, sir, very quick learner and punctual. So this is my most specific strength, and I manage and I know how to work as a team in a team.
Okay. Great. Thank you so much, Tariq. Tariq, one last question with
Okay,
you.
sir.
What's your salary
Yes,
expectations?
sir. Sir, what's my
Salary expectations.
so as a fresher, sir, I think around 3 to 4 lakh per annum.
Okay. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I am, sir, currently at the office, so I can't give interview properly, sir.
Okay, no. So that's why I just stop it here.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now, Mr. Gajen Anand. गाइस जब आपसे कोई सैलरी एक्सपेक्टेशन पूछे तो समझ जाइए कि इंटरव्यू पॉजिटिव जा रहा है. इंटरव्यू पॉजिटिव मीन्स आपको अभी सही चल रहा है. ठीक है. यस मिस्टर गजन आनंद.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. You need to on your video, please.
Okay.
If only condition is suppose anyone is outside of a home or any other circumstance, ठीक है, does
First of all, thank you.
yes
Yes, sir.
please continue.
First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Gajendra Anand. I am from Bihar, but basically currently stay in near about Patna. And my qualification is I did my graduation in civil engineering from KK University, Bihar Sharif, Nalanda in 2023. And after the completion of diploma in civil engineering, uh, now I am pursuing a structural training course from Unique Civil Gurukul.
So
That's
from 23 to till now, you did anything?
yes.
What?
Uh, no, sir. Just work for 4 months in architectural office.
Okay. So after that,
After that, sir, nothing. Just
nothing.
yes.
नथिंग से ज़्यादा बेटर होता, कह देते मैं गवर्नमेंट जॉब की प्रिपरेशन कर रहा था, नथिंग से तो अच्छा आता
Okay.
ना. नथिंग में तो यही आ जाएगा ना कि हम क्या बोलते हैं, फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम चला रहे थे. नथिंग तो यही होगा ना, इससे बेटर है आई वॉज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर
Yes.
गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम, इट विल बी ग्रेट. ऐसा कुछ बता सकते हो.
Okay.
तुमने 4 मंथ बताया नहीं. सेकेंड थिंग तुमने क्या गलत किया, आई एम फ्रॉम बिहार बट करेंटली लिविंग इन पटना. पटना इज इन बिहार और इन एमपी,
No, sir. Bihar
तो बट क्यों लगाया?
near sir Patna,
तो
but currently stay near Patna. बोला था.
हाँ, नहीं, बट नहीं, बिहार के अंदर ही है ना वो, नहीं
Okay.
समझे, बिहार के अंदर है
Yes.
तो बट नहीं
Yes,
हुआ ना.
sir.
ठीक है, लेकिन मैं भी बाहर रह रहा हूँ, मतलब पटना में रह रहा हूँ, तो इट इज इन पटना. यू कैन से कि आई एम फ्रॉम बिहार, वो एक सिटी होगा कोई ना जहाँ रहते थे गांव में, एंड करेंटली आई एम
Yes.
लिविंग इन सिटी एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड पटना. ठीक है, यूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है, छोटी छोटी चीजें. व्हाट्स योर स्ट्रेंथ्स?
Sir, my strength is I am hard worker and timely punctual and that's all.
ओके, गिव एन एग्जांपल ऑफ योर टाइम पंक्चुअलिटीज.
Uh, if my office uh, office time is 9 o'clock, then I arrived before 30 minutes and 15 minutes.
30 minutes before. And how many lectures you watch in Start Pro?
Lecture 3.
3 lectures you watch. Okay. What's your weakness?
Sir, my weakness is I am detail oriented.
What was your project in college?
Uh, my college project is I did a detailed drawing. That's building is G+2.
Building G+2. Okay. What's your goal?
Sir, my goal is I get a job in a structural field and structural field. Sir.
थैंक यू सो मच आनंद. आनंद देख रहे हो, मैं तुमसे बार बार HR क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा था ना, तो उसका रीज़न
Yes,
पता है? उसका रीज़न ये है कि मैं तुमसे ज़्यादा कुछ बुलवाना चाहता था, ज़्यादा बोलो, क्योंकि तुम्हारा जो प्रॉब्लम है वो कहाँ पर आ रहा है पता है? कम्युनिकेशन में प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, देखो मैंने मोमिन से नहीं पूछा इतना, या फिर किसी से भी इतना नहीं पूछा, तुमसे मैं ज़्यादा पूछा ना, क्योंकि तुम्हारे कम्युनिकेशन में थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम है. कम्युनिकेशन के लिए अगर कोई ऑफलाइन अगल बगल में कोई ऐसे इंस्टीट्यूट टाइप हो जहाँ पर खूब प्रैक्टिस होती हो, वहाँ पर तुम जाके 1 घंटे समय बिताओ, पॉसिबल हो तो. और अगर बहुत कॉस्टली हो वहाँ का जो फी वगैरह है, तो तुम क्या कर लो कि अंकित सर से कांटेक्ट कर लो, मॉर्निंग में एक बैच चल रही सिर्फ कम्युनिकेशन प्रैक्टिस की, उसको कर लो.
Okay.
या फिर बहुत से ऐप आ गए वहाँ से, कुल मिला के 1 घंटा सेपरेट टाइम निकालो, सिर्फ मैं कम्युनिकेट करूँगा. तुम बार बार बोल रहे थे ना, मैं भी बोलता था.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, इसको ठीक करने का एक ही तरीका है, बार बार कम्युनिकेट करना. ठीक है, तो इसके लिए तुम चाहो तो अंकित सर से कांटेक्ट करो, चाहे नियर बाय में कोई अगर इंस्टीट्यूट्स हो जहाँ पर खूब बोलने की प्रैक्टिस होती हो वो करो, लेकिन कम्युनिकेशन को 1 से 1.5 महीने के अंदर ठीक करो, अगर पैकेज अच्छा चाहिए तो, ठीक है।
Okay.
अदरवाइज स्ट्रक्चर में जानते हो वैसे ही बहुत हालत खराब है, और ऊपर से अगर कम्युनिकेशन वीक तो फिर अच्छी कंपनी नहीं मिलती है। तो सीरियसली वर्क ऑन दैट, ठीक है।
Okay.
ओके जी, चलो, थैंक यू सो मच गरी। एंड नेक्स्ट इज मिस्टर शमीर। मिस्टर शमीर, ओके, शमीर जी रेडी हैं। शमीर, तुम्हारे बैकग्राउंड से किस चीज़ की आवाज़ आ रही है? फैन चला रहा है क्या?
हाँ यस सर।
कोई बात नहीं, कैमरा ऑफ करो पहले, कैमरा ऑफ करो पहले, ऐसे, हाँ। ये गाइस सबको याद रखना है, जैसे हम कभी घर में हैं, कोई इमरजेंसी आ गई और आप किसी एक एमएनसी का इंटरव्यू दे रहे हैं, जैसे तुरंत ही आपको बोलना चाहिए जस्ट अ मिनट सर, तुरंत कैमरा ऑफ करिए। मान लीजिए कोई कुछ बुला रहा है आपको, तुरंत म्यूट करिए, सामने वाले को आंसर करिए। देखिए, घर में रहना और ये चीज़ें स्वाभाविक सी होना बहुत नॉर्मल सी बात है ना। जैसे कि मैंने भी फ़ैन चलाया हुआ है, ठीक है, आपने देखा, अगर मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने कैमरा बंद किया क्योंकि मुझे गर्मी लग रही थी, तो फिर मेरा ईयरफोन थोड़ा सा बहुत बड़ा है, तो मैं वॉल तक पहुंच के मैंने क्या बोलते हैं फ़ैन चलाया, अब मुझे थोड़ा सा नॉर्मल हो गया। तो ये चीज़ों को ध्यान रखेंगे कि कैमरा ऑफ करके ऐसी कुछ एक्टिविटी करना हो तो भी कर लो। समय रेडी?
यस सर।
ओके, समझ में आया ना? ये चीज़ें फॉलो करना पड़ सकता है, बड़ी एमएनसी है तो भी, ठीक है।
यस सर। यस।
ओके जी, नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
Good evening sir.
गुड इवनिंग।
Thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Samir Dil Patil. I'm from Sangli, Maharashtra. I did my graduation in 2018 in civil engineering from Anasab Dange College of Engineering and Technology, Asta. Currently, I am pursuing an structural engineering course from Unique Civil Academy. This course includes AutoCAD 2D, 3D, StatPro, ETABS, RCDC softwares. My strengths are I'm hardworking, self-motivated, keen to learn new things quickly. I'm honest and disciplined.
Explain about your career till now from 18 to
From 18 to 2022, I'm prepared for government exam, and in 2013 to till now, I'm doing a job in a local consultancy.
local consultancy.
Uh,
Okay. And from there, right now you working somewhere?
I'm right now I'm doing a job at local consultancy.
Okay. Why you want to leave your current job and want to join our company?
I just want to explore my knowledge in structural field.
Okay. What's your current job role? Yeah, job descriptions.
I'm AutoCAD draftsman.
You autograph draftsman. Okay. What you like about your current job and what you don't like about your current job?
I just want to doing job in structural field. That's it.
I'm talking about what you like about your current job and what you don't like about current job. आप अपने करंट जो जहाँ पर काम कर रहे हो वहाँ पर क्या पसंद करते हो, कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ जो अच्छी लगती है वहाँ की, और कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ जो वहाँ की बुरी लगती है?
तो सर
इसमें क्या होता है ना, देखो समीर, क्या हो रहा है, अपने को बैरियर कहाँ आ रहा है, कम्युनिकेशन बैरियर कर दे रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है, ठीक है। तो फिलहाल तुम बहुत अच्छा प्रयास कर रहे हो कि ठीक है, यू आर बेटर देन अदर्स की जिन्होंने प्रयास नहीं किया है ना, लेकिन तुम कैसे तुम चीज़ को रख नहीं पा रहे हो, है ना। तो कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, वो छोटी सी चीज़ है। तुम बता सकते हो, क्या बता सकते हो, तुम बता सकते हो कि आई लाइक टू वर्क इन AutoCAD बिकॉज दैट इज द ऑफिस जॉब एंड आई लाइक टू डू दैट टाइप ऑफ वर्क, ठीक है। और आई एम वेरी मच पैशनेट टू डू द डिजाइनिंग्स एंड आई एम डूइंग दैट, तो आई लाइक दैट। Don't like, I want to create, I want to do some analysis also, but there is only drafting work, so I want to learn about the structures and I want to work on the structures. ये मैं like करता हूँ या नहीं like करता हूँ, है ना। लेकिन इसके लिए भाषा हमारे पास होनी चाहिए जो मैं इन सेंटेंस को बना सकूँ, है ना। फिर और भी बहुत सी चीज़ें हो सकती हैं, ठीक है। I like work there, but don't like my current salary is very less, so that I want to improve. ये भी हो सकता है ना. Okay, what is the full form of StatPro and which company made this software StatPro?
Full form StatPro is Structural Analysis and Design Program.
Okay, and which company made this software?
So, Research Engineer Internationals.
Very good. Right
And
now,
current-
yes, please.
and in 2005 the Bentley company take over this.
Excellent. थैंक यू सो मच समीर. बस समीर थोड़ा सा अभी तुमको मैं बैच उसका नहीं बोलूँगा, नहीं कहीं ऑफलाइन ही बोलूँगा. तुम्हारा मतलब कैसे तुम ना अपने कलीग से, ठीक है, कलीग फ्रेंड, ठीक है, मैरिड हो तो क्या बोलते हैं वाइफ, किसी से भी हमें इंग्लिश में कम्युनिकेट करना है. ठीक है, सिंपल सा लॉजिक है. इसका फ़र्क ये पड़ेगा, पैकेज अच्छा हो जाएगा. ठीक है, क्योंकि देखो कैसे होता है, घर में रहोगे तो स्वाभाविक सी बात है कोई भी अपने नेटिव लैंग्वेज में बात करेगा, राइट. लेकिन ग्रोथ के लिए तो हमें बढ़ना है ना. ठीक है, अगर तुम्हें GSW या फिर ऐसी कोई बड़ी बड़ी फॉर्म्स को क्रैक करना है तो कम्युनिकेशन पे वर्क कर लो, फायदा होगा तुम्हारा. ठीक है,
Yes sir.
ओके जी, चलो. थैंक यू सो मच समीर. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज मिस्टर समीर के बाद रवि जी हैं, रवि के बाद नामेश हैं, फिर गीतांजलि हैं. यस रवि, बताइए. रवि आर यू देयर?
Yes, sir. Okay, good evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग जी. रवि की अच्छी बात ये लगती है, रवि हर एक मॉक को अटेंड करते हैं, कैसे भी हो बट अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करते हैं. दैट इज गुड थिंग रवि अबाउट यू.
Thank you.
ओके, यस रवि, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ इन शॉर्ट.
Sir, I am Ravi Vyas. I live in Dharampur, Dhar district. Presently, I am living in Indore for job, and I have passed in 2017 B, and presently I am pursuing MTech from Arvindo Institute.
Okay, so you're doing job in Indore, right now?
Yeah, sir.
You pass out your degree,
2017.
and from which year you working there in the Indore company?
Sir, from 2017.
Till on the same company.
No, sir. I am doing this job from 2 months last 2 months.
From last 2 months only. Before that,
Sorry, sir.
before this company,
Sir, in architecture firm for 3 years, and before that 3 years in road work and 1 year in building work.
so current job role is
Sir, as a project manager in road work.
project manager in the road work, right? Okay, so who inspired you about the structure engineering? So means you make your career in structure engineering. Who inspired you about that? For that?
Sir, I like to structure engineering. I wanted to from 2017, but due to some reason I couldn't do it. So that's why I'm pursuing that right now.
My job role is in Bangalore. Are you comfortable to work in Bangalore?
Yeah, sir.
Means you're ready to relocate?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, that's nice. What is structure engineering, Mr. Ravi?
So structural engineering is a branch of civil engineering. In this field, we deal with structure analysis and designing work for residential and commercial buildings, and bridges design, dam design, all work in included in structure designing work.
Okay, how many lectures you watched in STAT Pro?
Sorry, sir.
How many lectures you watched in STAT?
3.
3 lectures you watched. What do you like about your current job and what you don't like about your current job?
Sir, I like all type of job. I don't like any other. I don't have any problem for any kind of job. I can do all type of job in road work, building work, because I have knowledge of both field.
No. About your current organizations. I'm talking about current organization. What you don't like in your current organization and what you like about in current organizations?
So it is a road work, and many time I have to go on other side, and many not to read. Sorry, sir. Not to learn more thing in road work, because in structural engineering I have daily new task to work for that.
Okay.
And in road work only, similar work is in progress, and no any challenging work in
Okay.
this field.
Which IS code we use for dead load?
Sir, IS 875 part 1.
And what is dead load?
Dead load is a type of load. It includes in which load like a footing column and not momentable structure member.
Okay. थैंक यू सो मच रवि, दिस वॉज नाइस टू टॉक विथ यू। थोड़ा सा कम्युनिकेशन इंप्रूव करना है, ज़्यादा नहीं, बस थोड़ा सा, ठीक है? ये कर लोगे तो मज़ा आ जाएगा। ओके, चलो, गुड, वेरी गुड। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज यहाँ पर गए रेडी, आप कमेंट करिए, जो कमेंट किया गया उनके अकॉर्डिंग चल रहा है मॉक। नमेश शर्मा जी, एंड आफ्टर नमेश गीतांजलि। रेडी, इफ यू वांट यू कैन ड्रॉप द मैसेज। मिस्टर नमेश,
Good evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग जी। Yes, perfect. Now, Mr. Damesh, introduce yourself in short.
Good evening, sir. First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity. My name is Namesh Sharma. I'm basically from Chamba, Himachal Pradesh. I did my graduation in 2019 in BTech Civil Engineering from Maharaja Agarsen University, Baddi, Solan, Himachal Pradesh. Currently, I doing civil Gurukul structure batch to learn the how to design the structure and analyze it.
You pass out year
Sir, 2019.
19. From there to till now,
Sir, after pass out my BTech, I do some preparation of government jobs. Then Corona will come and there are no exams such comes and I clear. Then I'm start our work for planning, doing estimates and other civil works for civil engineering related work.
okay, what's your goal?
Sir, I want to become a good engineer, which is work from society for innovative things, and a good civil engineer is for society. We help people for doing their building dreams and other things.
Okay, so basically you want to become a good structure engineer, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, and you have any plan to open your own something?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you don't want
So
to.
currently I'm work
Yes,
my
sir.
own business, which we provide a floor plans, estimations, and consultancy to construct their houses.
Very nice. So you have to plan to grow this only, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right now, you just provide the planning section, elevations, and
Yes, sir.
structure
Estimations.
estimations. Okay. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and estimation by Excel.
Yes, sir. Estimation by Excel, sir.
Okay. So
Sometime manually or sometime Excel, sir.
what is, and you okay, like approve the drawings also?
Yes, sir. I'm registered in urban development or town and country planning, Himachal. So I will apply for approval drawings and other things, similar things, sir.
Very good. So what are the things important at the time of approval the drawings?
So there are many things approvals. Literally mains are site plans, location plans, sections, elevations, and all floor plans. In section and elevation, we are provided the building heights, which is strict as per rules in the relative areas, and the mains are offsets in the site plan, which shows from the boundaries of the plot.
What is site plan?
Sir, site plan is a plan which shows the position of building in the in their plot, which provides us to knowledge of corners of buildings and plot and distance between building and boundary line of plot.
Suppose I said you need to create the 100 CR company.
Okay, sir.
So what are the steps you will do for making the 100 CR company?
Sir, first of all, we make better in communicate with peoples, and quality of our works, and there are many things to make a 100 CR company. It's not a small amount. So we create a good and strengthened team, which is provide a better quality and of work to the customers.
And you will try to be innovative for something, because
Yes,
there are
sir.
different companies also. Why? How can you make the company 100 CR, right?
बिल्कुल sir.
Team with
Yes, sir.
innovations. If you are
बिल्कुल
with
sir.
team and
Yes, sir.
innovations,
Innovations.
you can easily make. बहुत बड़ी नंबर नहीं है. क्यों नंबर बढ़िया नहीं है? क्योंकि ये ऐसी फील्ड है जिस फील्ड में ड्रीम होता है. ठीक है, बहुत
Yes, sir.
ज़्यादा लोगों का ड्रीम होता है, बस हमें वहाँ तक पहुँचने की नीड है. ओके, चलो, थैंक यू सो मच रमेश. होप सो कि आप अपने बिजनेस को और अच्छे से ग्रो करो.
Thank
दिमाग
you.
लगाओ कि मार्केट में जो चल रहे हैं उनसे हमारी यूएसपी में अलग क्या है. ठीक है, चेकलिस्ट बनाओ. ठीक है,
Yes,
बड़े
sir.
बड़े जो लोग हैं जिनको तुम ठीक समझते हो उनसे कंसल्ट करो कि मैं और क्या इम्प्रूव कर सकूं. ठीक है, उनके एक्सपीरियंस की
Okay,
जो
sir.
अच्छी चीज़ें उनको लिखो, जो खराब चीज़ें उनको स्क्रैप करो. सबके एक्सपीरियंस में अच्छे बुरे दोनों आएंगे, है ना. तो ऐसे ऐसे करके लिस्ट
So this is
बनाओ. ठीक है.
another reason, sir, I join your batch. So this is another secondary reason is this to join your batch, sir.
Yes, definitely. हमको जब
To
कुछ अब ऐसा कुछ करना है तो हम इनोवेटिव तरीके से नहीं आएंगे तो बड़ा कैसे करेंगे. ठीक है, हमें बड़ा ही सोचना है. ठीक है,
yes, sir.
अब मैं बोलूँ कि तुमको 10,000 रुपये महीने का बनाना है, ये कौन सा नंबर है. इसमें कुछ करना ही नहीं है. ठीक है,
No.
लेकिन यही चीज़ को हमें कैसे करना है, हमें सोचना है यार हम कैसे कम से कम 5 लाख रुपीज़ पर मंथ के हिसाब से कैसे बनाएं. ठीक है, सोचो. तो
Yeah,
उसके
sir.
लिए हम क्या सर्विस प्रोवाइड
Definitely,
कर
sir.
सकें मार्केट में, और लोग जो हैं जो इस इंडस्ट्री में सबसे बड़ा कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तुम्हारे इंडस्ट्री में कौन बड़ा कर रहा है, देखो. बेस्ट. अच्छा, वो कौन सा स्ट्रेटजी फॉलो कर रहे हैं, उनकी स्ट्रेटजी
Yes.
निकालो, उनके लोगों का इंटरव्यू निकालो, फिर उनकी एक एक हैबिट्स को अडॉप्ट करके लिखो, इसको अप्लाई करो. ठीक है.
Sure, sir.
ओके, थैंक
Sure.
यू सो मच रमेश.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
ओके
so much.
ओके
Thank you.
ओके. Now next is as per the comment Gitanjali. After Gitanjali, when ready, and then Priyanka. Gitanjali, ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
I'm audible.
Yes, you are. Today was your holiday or working?
Working, sir.
Oh, you're very hard working. That is great things. क्योंकि जॉब के बाद करना और इतना मेहनत, ये बहुत वो है, लेकिन इसका ना रिजल्ट तुमको बहुत मिलेगी. ताकि मैंने भी क्या हुआ इसलिए बता रहा हूँ, रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छा मिलेगा होपफुली. ठीक है. ओके, सो हाउ मेनी लेक्चर्स यू वाच इन स्टैट?
Sir, 3 complete.
3 lectures you completed in stat. Okay, what is the full form stat pro?
STAT Pro is a structural designing and analysis program.
Okay, and what are the things we can do in stat?
STAT Pro actually STAT Pro is made by a research engineer, and Bentley purchased Bentley purchased in 2005. In STAT Pro we analyze the structure, and then we'll design, and we add some loads, like dead load, live load, floor load, wall load, on a particular structure, and the structure are already made in some typical format. Then we also create the structure.
Great. What is the use of run structure wizard in stat pro?
Sir, repeat.
Run structure wizard. Don't know.
Idea.
And what is the use of translation repeat?
Translation repeat. We draw a column or beam. Then we want to add some column and beam repeat in any direction x or y. We use transversion repeat.
Okay. What's your goal?
My goals are my goals are my short-term goal is get a job in reputed company, and my long-term goal is get a good position where I can build my career.
And what's your hobby?
My hobbies are reading, traveling, and communicate families.
Communicate with family members, right?
Yes,
Reading also. Reading also?
yes.
Okay. Last time, which book you read?
Actually, I'm read a Marathi book like
Hmm. Which book in Marathi?
जीवन समजून घेताना गोपालदास
Gir Gopal Das,
गिरी गोपाल
ISKCON Prabhuji.
हाँ, yes.
I already read that book. Actually, that is good book. Okay, and what should we hire you?
Because because I make my career in structural industry, and Unix Civil is the best, and my skill sets are suitable for this position, uh, and I'm a quick learner and hardworking person.
Okay, thank you so much, Gitanjali. Keep continue. अच्छा कर रहे हो, बन जाओगे, ठीक है?
Yes,
Very
thank you, sir.
Okay जी. Next is Mr. Reddy. Mr. Reddy.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Introduce yourself, Mr. Reddy.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity to interview in this role today. My name is Venvardhan Reddy, and I have completed my BTech in Civil Engineering from Vignan Institute of Technology and Science in the year 2023, and I have completed my diploma in Civil Engineering from Samskruti College of Polytechnic in the year 2020. Currently, I am working as a QA/QC engineer in OMC Builders and Developers, a Hyderabad-based construction company. And currently, I'm pursuing structure course from Unix Civil. My hobbies are playing volleyball and watching news. And once again, thank you, sir.
Okay. Explain about QA/QC and explain about your job role.
QA/QC, the abbreviation of QA/QC is Quality Assurance and Quality Control. The QA engineer will prepare a methodology according to the site requirement, and the QC will foresee that the methodology given by QA is implemented in the site or not. And if not, the QC engineer will raise a NC to the respected contractor. And my roles are daily conducting site visits and checking whether all the activities are running as per methodology or not. And if it is not done, and I will give an NC and giving training to the laborers.
Okay. So your work is to provide the trainings also, right?
Yes, sir.
What are the types of trainings you do for the laborers?
Actually, the project is in finishing stage, sir. I will be giving on external plaster, internal plaster, putty, tiles, marble, screed, and other activities.
Your role is to train the laborers, right?
Yes, sir.
What type of trainings you provide them?
Yes, sir. What are the activities are going on the site? The finishing activities. I will be training on that activities.
Okay, got it. So you just suggest them you try to do like this, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. And after QA/QC, why you want to left that current organization or current field?
Sir, basically, I want to have an site knowledge basically for the 1 year, and after that, I want to get into the structural field, sir. I am very much interested in designing the structures.
Okay. What was the biggest challenge till now you get in your career?
Sir?
Biggest challenge, what is your biggest challenge till now you get in your career? Any challenge you face in that your current job or any previous work or college, any career related work?
No, sir.
No. Okay. What is structural engineering?
Structural engineering is a part of civil engineering. A structural engineer will design the structure according to the topographical features and site requirements, and what is the type of projects. And taking all these factors, the structural engineer will design the structure as per the requirement and the rules in the local government bodies.
What are the important IS code required for the structural engineers
Uh, for
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 designing?
concrete for designing IS 875 Part 1 and IS 456 2000.
Okay. How many lectures you watch in STAT?
3 lectures.
Okay, great. And you complete that model also from the Renesas Bajaj G+4 model?
Yes, sir. I was preparing. I have some doubts in that, sir.
Okay. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच रेडी, दिस वाज नाइस टॉक विद यू, गुड। अभी लेक्चर को पीछे नहीं करना है, ठीक है? पीछे करोगे तो क्या होगा ना कि इकट्ठा हो जाएगा तो प्रॉब्लम करेगा, ठीक है? डाउट आ रहा है, कोई प्रॉब्लम उसको उतने बस सेव कर दो, मैं हूँ उसको सॉल्व करूँगा, ठीक है? ओके जी। नाउ नेक्स्ट गाइस, आज का हमारा टास्क क्या है गाइस? आज का हमारा टास्क है कि आपको ऑटोकैड से एक छोटा सा प्लान लेके आना है, छोटा सा अपने मन से ऐसे लेके आना है और उसको इंपोर्ट करना है, इंपोर्ट कर उसकी एनालिसिस करना है G+4 के लिए, ठीक है? यस विधि।
So I'm left.
What happened?
So mock interview.
ओके, यू वांट टू, नहीं, मुझे अभी कई लोगों का मॉक इंटरव्यू रह गया है, जस्ट वेट कर लो, ठीक है? मैं जस्ट इनको देख के मैंने बताने लगा, ठीक है? हाँ, अभी रियंका का है, रियंका के बाद आप कर लो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, जस्ट मैं तो एक्सप्लेन कर रहा था। तो गाइस, हमें लेक्चर 4 को वॉच करके उसमें बताया है एक ऑटोकैड से सिंपल सा प्लान अपने मन से, ठीक है, लेके आना है स्टैट में और उसको G+4 करना है, ठीक है? बट आफ्टर वॉचिंग लेक्चर 4 तभी समझ में आएगा कि हमें कैसे करना है, ठीक है? रियंका रेडी? तो हमें लेक्चर 4 वॉच करके बस इतना सही आज का हमारा टास्क है, कोई ज़्यादा टास्क नहीं है, बस इकट्ठा मत करो, आराम से सीख जाओगे आप लोग, ठीक है? चलो रियंका, इफ यू कंफर्टेबल ऑन योर वीडियो, क्योंकि आपको उसमें कॉन्फिडेंस रेज होगा, इफ नॉट विल कंटिन्यू लाइक दिस।
Yes, sir.
ओके, वेरी गुड।
Good evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग। इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, रियंका। हेलो।
Priyanka Chaube. I am basically from Chhatarpur, MP, and currently lives in Chhatarpur. I did my MTech in Structural Engineering 2023 after completing my BE in Civil Engineering. Currently, I am pursuing internship Unix. This internship include AutoCAD, Strato, ETAP.
Okay. What cover we provide in column, Riyanka? What cover we provide in column?
Column 40 mm.
40 mm. What is the mixed proportion of M20?
M20 1.53.
Difference between section and elevations. और what is section, what is elevation?
एलिवेशन सामने से मैं हिंदी में बता सकती हूँ क्या?
नहीं, एक्सप्लेन इंग्लिश में करो,
जब सामने
ट्राई करो, कोई बात नहीं, रिलैक्स। ओके, कोई बात। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विथ यू इज व्हाट इज द डेंसिटी ऑफ स्टील? डेंसिटी ऑफ स्टील
78 डेंसिटी 25 kilonewton per meter cube.
And what is the density of brick?
No, sir. It is 7850 kg per meter cube.
Okay. And what is the density of brick?
19.1 kilonewton per meter.
Very good. Okay. And difference between one-way slab and two-way slab?
LY by LX greater than 2 one-way slab. LY by LX less than 2 two-way slab.
Okay. Very good. What should we hire you?
I keep to learn new things quickly, and I'm sure I will give my best to the company.
Very good. Thank you so much, Shanka. Keep continue. ऐसे ही हर मौके को देना है, ठीक है? कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ धीरे धीरे रेस होगा, ठीक है? चलो, वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट इज विधि। विधि, रेडी? विधि, आर यू रेडी? Okay. After Vidhi, who is remaining, please drop the message, guys. If someone is remaining, okay. And Ram Prasad,
Good evening, sir.
good evening ji, good evening Vidhi. Vidhi, introduce yourself in short.
So my name is Vidhi. Firstly, thank you for this opportunity. My name is Vidhi and I'm currently living in Goa, and I have completed my BE in civil engineering this year in 2024. And apart from academics, my hobbies are doing sketching or doing artworks. And currently I am pursuing the structural course at Unique Civil.
Great. Your pass out year is 24, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. From which college?
So, Government College of Goa.
Oh, government college. Okay. What are the subjects was involved in your last semesters? Last semester subjects name.
So construction management was there, solid hazards and management, RCC design, structural, GTech, geotechnical engineering, transportation engineering, surveying.
How many subjects in your last semester?
Last semester, so 2 subjects were there.
So I was just asking about the last semester only.
So last semester it was solid hazards and hydrology.
Okay. And what was your project in that semester?
So bioengineering materials were used. Bioengineering materials were used, and like for the sustainable development, we just used bioengineering materials.
Explain any bioengineering material.
So as in the coconut coir was used to increase the strength of concrete, as well as we had used the plant's extract to prevent the steel from corrosion. So this was done.
Okay. Why we provide cover in column?
So because so that a concrete does not get directly connected to the reinforcement does not get directly connected towards the does not get openly exposure to the external environment and get corrode. So to save the rod, we use the cover.
Great.
For extra protection.
Very nice. What is honeycomb?
So honeycomb, it is done when we don't do proper vibrating while concreting. So when we don't do proper vibrating, the honeycomb structure, void-like structure happens in the concrete.
Excellent. And what is creep?
So sorry.
Creep. CREEP. Creep.
So I did not get.
Okay. You don't know about creep, right?
No.
Okay, no, so it's okay. And what is the mixed proportion of M15?
So 1:, so I can't recall.
Okay, no, sure. Maximum dia bars, how much we can use for slab?
Maximum dia for slab. We start with 12 meaning.
ओके नो सो जो मैंने पीडीएफ भेजा है ना 11 पेज की याद है, उसमें लास्ट में पेज नंबर मैंने 9 और 10 दिया था पढ़ने के लिए. उसमें ना बेसिक्स याद है क्या दिया था, जिसमें इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ पर ना स्टार्टिंग में था और लास्ट पेज में थे ना, उसमें जाओ पढ़ो. तो उसमें दिया हुआ है कि आप स्पैन बाई 8 स्लैब का मैक्सिमम डाया कितना यूज़ कर सकते हो, स्पैन बाई 8 जो आएगा उससे ज़्यादा नहीं यूज कर सकते. ठीक है, तो उसको पढ़ना, उसमें बहुत से क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे. M15 भी उसी मिल जाए. ओके ओके, थैंक यू सो मच विधि, बट अच्छा कर रहे हो, कीप कंटिन्यू. ठीक है, ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज Mr. Oves is there. So Mr. Oves.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Oves.
I'm audible, sir?
Yes, you are. What is the today's assignments?
Sir, sorry, sir.
What is the today assignments?
We have to watch lecture number 4. From that, after watching the lecture number 4, we have to import in a STAD of CAD file, and we have to do practice.
Excellent. What are the advantages of AutoCAD?
Advantage of AutoCAD. Basically, firstly, it's paperless. We can save paper, and we can draw number of times, and we can draw number of times and erase it number of times, and we can show very good things in very short times.
Very good. And suppose I am sitting in the room and room size is 3 meter by 10 feet. 3
meters.
Yeah, 3 meters by 10 feet. What will be the approx area?
3 meters.
10 feet.
So I have to calculate.
Approx, I'm talking about approx. Okay, no issue. In 1 feet, how many inches?
1 feet 12 inches.
12 inches. Okay. And what slope we provide for stairs?
It's 35 or 45. I may not be right. Angle.
It varies from where to where.
It's very. Yeah. Yes.
So, and what is column?
Column is a compressive member, sir. It take loads from beam and transfer to the footings, sir.
And types of footings?
Raft footing, isolated footing, rectangular footing. There are many types of footings.
But there are some mainly different. Not there mainly. There are very less type of footings.
Limited.
Okay. Where we use pile foundations?
Whenever there is a soil is less, SBCs, wherever the SBC is less than of, there will be some 24 or some SBCs, wherever the soil bearing capacity is less than that value, then we have to use this. And basically for many major big structures also we will use piles.
But we use a raft also, no? Where we use raft?
Raft footing.
Yeah, raft foundation.
Raft also we use for heavy structures, sir.
Okay. So
basically piles we will use wherever the SBC will be less than the 24, sir. At that time we will use these piles.
A raft? Where we use a raft?
I think the heavy structures. I don't know.
If columns area is covered more than 30% of the total built up area, at that place we use raft foundations. जहाँ columns ज़्यादा हो, ढेर सारे हो, तो वहाँ पर हमें raft foundation प्रयोग, क्योंकि अलग अलग footings बनाने में खर्च ज़्यादा होंगे. अब अलग अलग footing की जगह पे एक missing किया, उस missing पर सारे तैयार हो गए, ठीक है? तो ऐसे जगह पर लोग raft तैयार करते हैं. Okay, thank you so much, Oves. How many lectures you watch in STAT?
3, sir.
Okay, ठीक है. तो गाइस मैं ये क्वेश्चन आपसे बार बार क्यों पूछ रहा हूँ, मैं चाहता हूँ कोई भी पीछे ना चले, सभी बराबर पे चले, इससे स्मूथली तरीके से रोज आराम से थोड़ा थोड़ा करके होता जाएगा. और मैं उनके हिसाब से काम दे रहा हूँ जो लोग जॉब में हैं, ठीक है? अभी मुझे कई क्वेश्चंस और स्ट्रक्चर्स के देने हैं आपको. ओके वेस्ट, नॉट थैंक यू. एंड लेकिन मैं थोड़े धीरे धीरे करके दे रहा हूँ जिससे कि कोई जॉब में है तो परेशान ना हो जाए, ठीक है? तो मैं आपको पूरा सपोर्ट करूँगा टिल कि आप कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन करेंगे. कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन नहीं है तो फिर मेरा कुछ नहीं हो सकता, मतलब मैं क्या ही कर सकता हूँ गैस. राम प्रसाद, आपने अभी तक मैसेज नहीं किया, और किसी का रह गया क्या? ठीक है. यस राम प्रसाद, रेडी? आई थिंक
हाँ सर.
रेस्ट. ओके, एवरीवन कंप्लीट.
सर इंग्लिश में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम,
कोई
इंग्लिश में सर थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है.
कोई बात नहीं, प्रॉब्लम तो है, लेकिन क्या बोलते हैं, आप प्रॉब्लम को ठीक करेंगे हम, है ना? तो हमने क्लासेस क्यों लगाते हैं, अभी कोई सीखता क्यों है, ठीक है? मैं भी जिम जा रहा हूँ, क्यों?
बॉडी
फिटनेस के लिए. सिंपल सा लॉजिक है. नहीं है तभी तो जा रहा हूँ ना. अगर मुझे 6 पैक होते तो मैं क्यों जाता, ठीक है? चलो, तो इसलिए हमें सीखना है बेसिकली, बस बात नहीं सीखना. ओके, जस्ट ट्राई टू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ इन इंग्लिश. जितना होता है उतना करो. ट्राई इंट्रोड्यूस.
सर, my name is Ramprasad Maiti. I live in Kolkata, West Bengal. Currently, I joined a structural training course in Unix Civil.
Okay, and you pass out here.
Currently, my BTech complete 2019. After that, I MTech in geotechnical engineering from Swami Vivekananda University. Currently, registered LBS, Kolkata Municipal Corporation.
Okay, so you working there in that Kolkata Corporation?
Practice.
Okay, so what's your role there? Approve the works?
Plan, approve the drawings.
Explain all the works in English.
I approve the drawing as per KMC building rules.
And from where you get the projects?
Sir, repeat करिए.
From where you get the projects? Project कहाँ से पाते हो? From where you get the projects?
Project जो reference है.
What's your charges?
Communication.
What's your charges?
Charges वो जो square feet के हिसाब से square feet.
How much?
20, 22, 30.
20, 22 rupees square feet. With approval or without approval?
Without government fees, sir.
Without government fees. Okay. So suppose you have a 1000 square feet area. So how much you will charge?
30,000 minimum.
Okay. And suppose that is G+3. Then? So that is G+3. For G+3, how much?
How much total floor area? Total floor area into area increasing to थोड़ा fees तो सर कम मतलब decrease होगा.
Okay, थोड़ा decrease करोगे means floor same रहेगा तो you will decrease it, right? And what is the government? What is the government fees?
जो building approval fees, development fees, drainage or water connection.
Wait, that I'm asking. How much their government fees?
The computerized generating.
How much price? Approx price. Means your price is 20 rupees square feet. And what's the government fees? That I'm asking.
75
rupees per square meter or per square feet?
Per square feet.
Feet, sure?
Yes.
Okay. So 70 rupees square feet, that is a government fees, and 20 rupees square feet you charge, right?
Yes.
So you take the projects for the complete approval or only for the just planning?
Complete approvals. File movement.
Okay. So that complete work you do in that, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
And now you want to open your own related to structure, or you want to do the job?
Own self improve structural engineering.
Okay. What's the charges your friend taking in the structures in your city? Approx. Structures के कितने charges ले रहे हैं लोग?
3 rupees per square feet.
3
5 rupees per square feet.
And for planning you're charging 20.
Only structure.
And for planning you're taking 20 rupees, and they are
speed money है ना, speed money है sir.
Speed money means
under table.
अच्छा तो क्या नहीं तो अच्छा उसके हिसाब से लेते हो, ठीक है.
तो सब कुछ है ना.
हाँ, तो तुम्हारा जो क्या बोलते हैं उसका जो मेन चार्ज है वो that is how much you take for the drafting work only. ड्राफ्टिंग के लिए कितना लेते हो ये I'm asking that. ठीक है, अंडर टेबल ये सब तो अलग से हो गया, ठीक है. ओके.
तो कोई तो अलग से नहीं देगा सर. टोटल जो मतलब वो सारा बहुत खर्चा पड़ जाएगा।
आ,
स्टेप टू स्टेप करने से वो कोई काम नहीं देगा।
नहीं, हम लोग जैसे करते हैं तो हम लोग 3 रुपीज़ स्क्वायर फीट प्लानिंग का लेते हैं, ठीक है। लेकिन जो भी आपको अप्रूवल का खर्चा आएगा, ठीक है, अंडर ओवर जो भी है, ठीक है, वो क्लाइंट पे करेगा, हमारा 3 रुपीज़ ही है, समझ गए। तो उसमें अब वो क्लाइंट की ज़रूरत है, क्लाइंट कितना पे करता है, लेकिन मतलब जो सामने लग रहा है वो आप पे करो, मेरा जो बनता है मैंने बता दिया। तो वही मैं सोचा, तुम 20 रुपये स्क्वायर फीट ले रहे हो तो बहुत ज़्यादा चार्ज ले रहे हो, इतना तो फिर तो तुम्हें जॉब करने की नीड ही नहीं जब इतना ज़्यादा चार्ज तुम्हारे बचेंगे तो, ठीक है।
नहीं सर, वो तो सब कुछ वो यहाँ पर वेस्ट बंगाल कोलकाता में तो क्लाइंट अलग है, मतलब सब कुछ मिला के बोलिए, फिर काम करेगा तो नहीं करेगा।
समझ गए। बट अप्रॉक्स प्राइस तुम्हारा भी 3-4 रुपये या 5 रुपये तक ही होगा, राइट?
हाँ, यस सर।
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच राम प्रसाद, दिस वाज नाइस टॉक विद यू। ऐसे ही हमें कम्युनिकेट करना है, डरना नहीं है, ठीक है, हर बार करो।
और स्ट्रक्चर में बहुत बार हम कोशिश किया स्ट्रक्चर का, लेकिन नहीं हो पाया कंप्लीट।
तुम ब्रदर थोड़ा सा तुम्हें समय लगेगा, देखो राम प्रसाद, समय दो, ठीक है। जब उसको समय दोगे ना, लेक्चर को समय दो, एक बार नहीं समझता दोबारा वॉच करो, ठीक है।
2 लेक्चर देख लिया
नहीं, 2 लेक्चर नहीं, एक ही लेक्चर को 2 बार देखो अगर समझ नहीं आया तो, बट देखो, ठीक है, यही सोल्यूशन है और कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं। बिलीव करो, इससे इजी वे नहीं हो सकता है स्ट्रक्चर सीखने का, ठीक है। समय दोगे तो रिजल्ट देख लेना बेहतर से बेहतर होगा, ठीक है। यहाँ देखो कितने लोग जॉब वाले कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। चलो, ओके, नो मिस्टर फरहान,
थैंक यू।
ओके जी, ठीक है। और किसी का रह गया गैस? ठीक है, तो हमें क्या करना है गैस, लेक्चर 4 को वॉच करके सिंपल कुछ नहीं करना है, जो उसमें ड्राफ्टिंग है वैसे एक नॉर्मल ड्राफ्टिंग भी आपने कर लिया, हमें सिर्फ इतना देखना है कि हम क्या स्टेट से ले आ रहे हैं कोई लाइन को, और उसको हम लोग क्या कर पा रहे हैं क्या, बस इतना सा हमको प्रैक्टिस करना है। लेकिन लेक्चर 4 को देखने के बाद ही करिएगा, ठीक है। तो कल हम लोग का पूरा Q&A सेशन है, जिसमें पहले आप सारे डाउट, आज का भी इकट्ठा रहेगा, कल का भी रहेगा, दोनों एक डाउट कर लेंगे, फिर आगे चलेंगे, ठीक है। चलिए, मोमिन जी कुछ पूछना चाह रहे हैं? यस मोमिन, बोलिए।
हाँ सर, मैंने ये सेम चीज़ अभी ट्राई किया था, मतलब जो भी आप बोले, जो अपने ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट का प्लान बनाया था, उसी को मैंने इंपोर्ट किया ग्रिड में।